Good day, engineers. So in this video, we will discuss additional topics on equations of order 1, particularly type 6, which is the determination of integrating factors. So dito sa determination of integrating factors, kailangan alam natin or ma-review natin ulit yung exact differential equations. So kinakailangan i-review po natin ulit yung ating type 3 na exact differential equation. So in this type, we will consider some equations of the form mdx plus ndy is equals to 0. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong two cases. So si A and si B. So unahin natin si A. If the partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x divided by n is equals to f of x or a function of x alone, so we will use integrating factor is equals to e raised to integral of fx dx. And case 2, kapag ang partial derivative ng m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x divided by m is equals to gy or a function of y alone. So, ang integrating factor naman natin dito is e raised to negative g of y dy. So, please take note na merong negative sign dito. So, after that, or after natin makuha yung ating integrating factor, so we will multiply the integrating factor to the original equation. So, kapag na-multiply na natin siya, makaka-generate tayo ng panibagong equation. So, after nun, itetest natin yung kanyang exactness. So, babalik tayo dun sa type 3. Diba? Nagtetest tayo ng kanilang exactness ng isang DE sa type 3. So, after nun, kapag na-prove na natin na exact DE siya, so we will solve na using the method of exact equations. So, ganun siya. Bali, ang nadagdag lang before tayo mag-start sa exact differential equations, so, may steps muna tayong gagawin. Okay, let's start. Example number 1. Obtain the general solution of y times 2x minus y plus 1 dx plus x times 3x minus 4y plus 3 dy is equals to 0. So first, we will distribute y and x. So, distributive property. Magiging 2xy minus y squared plus y dx plus 3x squared minus 4xy plus 3x dy is equals to 0. So, after that, kunin natin yung partial derivative ng m with respect to y. So, kapag partial derivative of m with respect to y, so x is constant. Tama? So, ano na ulit yung m natin? Wait, anong color? So, ito yung ating m. Ito yung ating n. Okay, tuloy natin. Partial derivative of m with respect to y is, so x is constant. So, 2x is equals to 2y, minus 2y plus 1. Next, partial derivative of n with respect to x is equals to, so kapag with respect to x, y is constant. 6x minus 4y plus 3. So, nakuha na natin. Ngayon, minus na natin yung partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x. So, 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 6x minus 4y plus 3. So, magiging 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 6x minus 4y, plus 4y minus 3. So, combine like terms, simplify natin. So, magiging negative 4x plus 2y minus 2. So, factor out natin yung negative 2. Magiging 2x minus y plus 1. So, ano yung mas madaling i-divide natin? M ba or n? So, kung papansin ninyo, ito, medyo kahawig niya yung m. So, ang i-divide natin sa kanya ay m. 1 over m. So, ang m natin ay 2xy minus y squared plus y. So, para may makancel, ilalabas natin sulat ko lang ulit. Ilalabas natin y. So, magiging 2x minus y plus 1. So, makakancel 2x minus y plus 1. Ang matitira na lang ay negative 2y. So, function of y siya. Kaya ang if natin, so dito na lang sa gilid. So, if or the integrating factor is equals to e raised to negative g of y dy. Is equals to e raised to negative gy natin is 2 over y dy. So, magiging e raised to 2 ln y. So, e ln y squared. So, magiging if natin ay y squared. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung integrating factor natin, sabi dun sa step kanina, we will multiply integrating factor to the original equation. So, dito natin siya i-multiply. Dito. Wait, ibang color ulit. So, multiply natin siya dito. So, magiging 2x y cube. Walang kung kasya dito. Minus y raised to 4 plus y cube dx plus 3x squared y squared minus 4xy cube plus 3x y squared dy is equals to 0. So, after natin ma-multiply, itetest natin yung kanyang exactness. So, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to 6xy squared minus 4y cubed plus 3y squared. Then sa n, partial derivative of m with respect to x is equals to 6xy squared minus 4y cubed plus 3y squared. So, parehas sila. Therefore, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to partial derivative of n with respect to x. Therefore, exact DE. So, after nan, kapag exact DE na siya, so isosolve na natin siya as exact DE. So, next slide muna tayo. Sulat ko lang yung ating new equation. So, ang new equation natin, 2x y cubed minus 4 y raised to 4 plus y cubed dx plus 3x squared y squared minus 4x y cubed plus 3x y squared dy is equals to 0. So, paano na ulit yung ating exact DE? So, kunin natin. Ang first step natin is partially integrate m with respect to x, holding y as a constant. So, partial derivative daw with respect to x is equals to m. Partial derivative ng f is equals to m dx. So, sulat natin yung ating m. So, ang m natin ay 2xy cubed minus y raised to 4 plus y cubed is equals to dx. dx. So, integrate natin. Magiging f is equals to 2x raised to 2 over 2 y cubed minus xy raised to 4 plus xy raised to 3 plus psi y is equals to c1. So, cancel natin si 2. So, ang panibagong f natin ay x raised to 2 y cubed minus x times y raised to 4 plus x y raised to 3 plus psi y is equals to c1. So, yan yung ating f. So, next step is partial derivative ng f with respect to y. So, ipa-partial derivative natin yung nakuha nating f. So, magiging x squared y squared minus 4x y cubed plus 3x y squared plus derivative ng psi y. So, next is partial derivative ng f with respect to y is equals to, wait, di makita. Diba kapag partial derivative ng f with respect to x is equals to m, ang partial derivative ng f with respect to y ay equals sa n. So, ang n natin is, nandun sa taas, ito yung ating n. So, magiging 3x squared y squared minus 4xy cubed plus 3xy squared. So, yan na yun. So, after that, i-equate natin yung dalawa. Yung partial derivative of f with respect to y is equals to partial derivative of f with respect to y. So, itong dalawa. Magiging 3x squared y squared minus 4xy cubed plus 3x y squared plus psi na derivative, psi prime y is equals to 3x squared y squared minus 4xy cubed plus 3xy squared. So, makakancel ang 3x squared y squared, ang negative 4x y cubed, 3xy squared. So, ang matitira ay yung psi prime y is equals to 0. So, magiging d psi over dy y is equals to 0. So, d psi y is equals to 0 dy. So, integrate natin both sides. Magiging psi y is equals to C2. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung value ng psi y, isa-substitute na natin siya sa ating f. So, ito yung ating f. Wait, ibahin ko yung code. So, ito yung ating f. So, substitute natin siya dyan. So, magiging f or x squared y cubed minus x y raised to 4 plus x y raised to 3 plus C2 is equals to C1. So, kapag nilipat natin si C2 sa kabila, magiging C1 minus C2. Kaya ang C1 minus C2 ay equal sa C. So, magiging x squared y cubed minus x y raised to 4 plus x y raised to 3 is equals to C. So, yan na yung ating answer. So, kung gusto nyo maging extra, so pwede natin i-simplify by lalabas natin si y cube. Y cube x squared minus x y plus x is equals to C. So, ito yung ating isang sagot. So, kahit anong sagot nyo dyan dalawa, tinatanggap ko naman. So, next example tayo, number 2. xy plus 1 dx plus x times x plus 4y minus 2dy is equals to 0. So, parang kanina, i-distribute natin yung x. So, magiging xy plus 1 dx plus x squared plus 4xy minus 2x times dy is equals to 0. So, after that, partial derivative ng m with respect to y. So, x is constant. So, x. Ang partial derivative ng n natin with respect to x. So, pag with respect to x, y is constant. So, magiging 2x plus 4y minus 2. So, next is pag ma-minus natin silang dalawa. Pag sa-subtract. Magiging x minus 2x plus 4y minus 2. So, simplify natin. Magiging x or negative x kasi 2x yon. So, negative x minus 4y plus 2. Divide natin sa, pwede natin siyang i-divide sa n. Tama? So, kapag dinivide natin sa m, ang makukuha natin ay f of x. So, try nga natin. Negative x minus 4y plus 2 all over x squared plus 4x y minus 2x. I mean 2x. Tama. Then, pwede nating ilabas si, wait, ayusin ko lang yung sulat ko. Tatas ko konti. Negative x minus 4y plus 2 all over x squared plus 4xy minus 2x equals to negative x minus 4y plus 2 all over x. So, dito sa taas pala, ilalabas natin yung negative sign. For xy. So, 4. Lalabas natin yung negative sign para maging x plus 4y minus 2. Tapos, dito sa baba, ilalabas din natin yung x. So, magiging x plus 4y minus 2. So, yung negative sign, labas natin or may 1 na lang dyan. So, cancel, cancel. Ang matitira ay negative 1 over x. So, kunin na natin yung integrating factor. Integrating factor natin is e raised to f of x dx. Magiging e raised to negative 1. So, ilabas na natin negative 1 dx over x. So, magiging e raised to ln x raised to negative 1. So, cancel si e raised to ln. Magiging if natin ay x raised to negative 1 or 1 over x. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung integrating factor, i-multiply na natin siya sa original equation na ito. Magiging y na lang siya kasi x over x na. So, y plus 1 over x dx plus x plus 4y minus 2 dy is equals to 0. So, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to, so x is constant, 1. And partial derivative of n with respect to x is equals to, y is constant. So, wala na to, wala na. 1. 1 din. So, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to partial derivative of n with respect to x ay equal, therefore, exact DE. So, next, sulat ko lang yung ating new equation na y plus 1 over x dx plus x plus 4y minus 2 dy is equals to 0. So, new equation yan na. So, exact DE na tayo ulit. Partial derivative of f with respect to y is equals to m. Partial derivative of f is equals to, n pala. Sorry. N. N dy. So, sulat natin yung n natin na x plus 4y minus 2 dy. So, integrate natin both sides. Magiging f is equals to xy plus 4y squared over 2 minus 2y plus psi x is equals to c1. So, cancel natin to. May matitirang 2 sa taas. So, magiging f is equals to xy plus 2y squared minus 2y plus psi x is equals to c1. So, next step natin is kunin natin yung partial derivative ng f with respect to x or yung ating m. So, ang m natin ay hindi pa pala yung itong f muna pala yung partial derivative natin. So, magiging with respect to x, kaya y is constant. Y is constant. So, y. Ito wala. Plus psi prime x. So, next is partial derivative of f with respect to x is equals to m. So, ang m natin ay y plus 1 over x. So, equate natin silang dalawa. Magiging y plus psi prime x is equals to y plus 1 over x. So, cancel natin si y. Ang natira ay psi prime x is equals to 1 over x. So, d psi over dy, not y, x, dx, tas x equals to 1 over x. So, d psi x is equals to 1 x dx. So, i-integrate both sides natin. Magiging psi x is equals to ln x plus C2. Since may nakuha na tayong psi x, isa-substitute na natin siya sa ating f. So, ito yung ating f kanina. So, magiging xy plus 2y squared minus 2y plus ln x plus, C2 pala to. Ln x plus C2 is equals to C1. So, magiging C na lang yung C1 minus C2. So, xy plus 2y squared minus 2y plus ln x is equals to C. So, ito na yung ating answer. So, next example na tayo, number 3. Ay, hindi ko napalitan. Wait. So, number 3, x squared plus y squared plus 1 dx plus x times x minus 2y dy. So, parang kanina, distribute natin yung x. Minus 2xy dy is equals to 0. Then, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to, wait, check ko lang kung nagre-record. So, 2y. So, x is constant yan. 2y. Then, partial derivative of n with respect to x is equals to 2x minus 2y. So, pag minus natin, partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x is equals to 2y minus, minus 2x minus 2y is equals to 4y minus 2x. So, kung papansin ninyo, mas okay i-divide yung n. So, 1 over n, partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x. So, kapag n ang dinivide, ang makukuha natin is f of x. So, try natin. Magiging 4y minus 2x. Then, yung n natin na x squared minus 2xy. So, kapag nilabas natin yung negative 2 sa taas, magiging negative 2y plus x. Tama? Then, sa baba, kapag nilabas yun natin yung isang x, magiging x minus 2y. So, same lang naman yung taas at baba. Binaliktad lang. So, cancel natin. Magiging ang f of x natin ay negative 2x. Negative 2 over x. So, kunin na natin yung ating integrating factor na e raised to f of x dx. So, e raised to negative 2, nilabas ko na yung 2, dx over x. So, e raised to negative 2 ln x or e raised to ln x raised to negative 2 or ang integrating factor natin ay cancel to, 'di ba? 1 over x raised to 2. One over x raised to 2. So, magiging, itong integrating factor natin is ita-times natin dito sa ating original equation. Magiging 1 plus y squared over x raised to 2 plus 1 over x raised to 2 dx plus 1 minus 2y over x dy is equals to 0. So, kunin natin yung ating partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to, so x yung ating constant dito, magiging 2y. Tama. Magiging 2y over x raised to 2. So, ito wala na kasi constant ang x. Partial derivative of n with respect to x is equals to 2y over x raised to 2. So, equal sila. Therefore, exact DE. So, after none, sulat ko lang ulit yung ating new equation. 1 plus y raised to 2 over x raised to 2 plus 1 over x squared dx plus 1 minus 2y all over x dy is equals to 0. So, sa notes nyo, kahit hindi nyo na isulat itong, sinulat ko lang kasi nasa kabilang slide. So, para hindi tayo pabalik-balik ng slide. So, partial derivative of f with respect to y is equals to n. So, partial derivative of f is equals to n dy. Partial derivative of f is equals to n natin ay 1 minus 2y x dy. So, integrate both sides. Magiging f is equals to y minus 2y squared over 2x plus psi x is equals to c1. So, cancel natin si 2. So, ang f natin dito ay y minus y squared over x plus psi x is equals to c1. Partial derivative of f over partial derivative of with respect to x pala is equals to, so y is constant. So, y is constant, wala na to. So, magiging y squared is equals over x squared plus psi prime x Then, yung isa, partial derivative of f with respect to x is equals to m. Or 1 plus y raised to 2 over x squared plus 1 over x squared. So, magiging y squared over x squared plus psi prime x equals to 1 plus y raised to 2 over x squared plus 1 over x raised to 2 or x squared. So, cancel natin to. Magiging psi prime x is equals to 1 plus 1 over x squared. So, d psi over dx x is equals to 1 plus 1 over x squared. So, lipat natin si dx equals to 1 plus 1 over x squared dx. So, integrate both sides. So, magiging psi x equals to x minus 1 over x plus c2. C. So, itong psi x natin ay ating isa-substitute dito. Magiging y minus y squared. Wait, hindi ata kasya. Y minus y squared over x. X na lang ba yun? Plus x minus 1 over x plus c2 is equals to c1. Or magiging y minus y squared over x plus x minus 1 over x equals to c. Times natin both sides ng x. Magiging xy plus y squared plus x squared minus 1 is equals to cx. So, ito yung ating answer. So, meron pa tayong dalawang problem. 43 minutes. Okay, tuloy natin. Number 4. Y times y plus 2x minus 2 dx minus 2 times x plus y dy. So, distribute natin yung y dito. Y squared plus 2xy minus 2y dx. Wait, ang layo naman nun. Minus 2x plus 2y dy is equals to 0. So, first, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to 2y plus 2x minus 2. Next, partial derivative of n. Dumudulas yung kamay ko. With respect to x is equals to negative 2. Next, partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x is equals to 2y plus 2x minus 2 plus 2. Then, pwede natin siyang simplify as 2y plus 2x. So, divide natin siya by n. So, partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x, 1 over n. So, ang n natin is, so kapag distribute natin yung negative sign, ang n natin ay negative 2x plus, negative na pala, minus 2y. So, magiging 2 times y plus x. Nilabas natin si 2. Dito naman si negative 2. So, magiging, x pala. So, x plus y. So, cancel natin si y tsaka si x. And ito magiging negative 1. So, yan yung ating f of x. If is e raised to integral of f of x dx is equals to e raised to negative 1 dx. So, magiging e raised to negative 1 x or e raised to negative x. So, yan yung ating imumultiply sa original equation natin. Magiging e raised to e raised to negative x y squared plus 2 e raised to negative x xy minus 2e raised to negative x y. So, dx minus 2e raised to negative x times x plus 2e raised to negative xy dy is equals to 0. Next ay partial derivative ng m with respect to y. Magiging 2y product rule. X is constant. So, magiging 2y e raised to negative x plus 2x e raised to negative x minus 2 e raised to negative x. Next, sa partial derivative ng n with respect to x, so y is constant. So, magiging product rule it. So, magiging 2x e raised to negative x minus 2 e raised to negative x plus 2y e raised to negative x. Tama ba? So, partial derivative ng m with respect to y ay equal sa partial derivative ng n with respect to x. Therefore, exact DE. So, next, wait, sulat ko lang ulit para hindi na tayo papalik. E raised to negative xy squared plus 2 e raised to negative x xy minus 2 e raised to negative xy dx minus 2 e raised to negative x x plus 2e raised to negative x y dy is equals to 0. So, magiging partial derivative of f with respect to y is equals to n. So, sana na-memorize nyo to kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yung ginagawa natin. So, dito sa n, ito yung n natin. So, isasama natin yung negative sign. So, magiging, labas na lang natin si negative. Negative 2e raised to negative x plus 2e raised to negative xy dy. So, integrate both sides natin. Magiging f is equals to negative 2xy e raised to negative x minus e raised to negative x y raised to 2 plus psi x equals c1. So, partial derivative ng f with respect to x. So, partial derivative natin yung nakuha nating f magiging, so, yung part na to, tawag dito, product rule. 2xy e raised to negative x minus 2y e raised to negative x plus y squared e raised to negative x plus psi prime x. So, yung isa, partial derivative ng f with respect to x ay equal sa m. So, kopyahin natin yung ating m. So, e raised to negative x, y raised to 2, plus 2e raised to negative x, xy, minus 2e raised to negative x, y. So, equate natin silang dalawa, magiging 2x y e raised to negative x minus 2y e raised to negative x plus y squared e raised to negative x plus psi prime. Psi prime ba yun? Yeah. Psi prime x is equals to, hindi na kasya, e raised to negative x y squared plus 2e raised to negative x xy, tapos yung isa negative 2e raised to negative x, y. So, makakancel lahat. So, psi prime x is equals to 0. So, d psi dx x is equals to 0. So, d psi x is equals to 0 dx. So, integrate both sides natin. Magiging psi x is equals to c2. So, ang haba-haba ng sinod natin. Dito lang pala yung psi x. So, substitute natin tong psi x dito sa f. Magiging negative 2xy e 2xy e raised to negative x minus e raised to negative x y squared plus c2 is equals to c1. Magiging negative 2xy e raised to negative x minus e raised to negative x y squared is equals to c. Or pwede rin na gawin nating positive. So, times natin ng negative 1, magiging 2xy e raised to negative x plus e raised to negative x y squared is equals to negative c. Pero c na din siya. So, ito yung isang sagot. So, meron pa tayong isang sagot. So, itong equation na to times natin siya sa e raised to x. So, 2xy e raised to negative x plus e raised to negative x y squared is equals to c. So, magiging e raised to x. Magiging 1 siya. So, 2xy plus y squared is equals to c e raised to x. So, kayo na lang mamili kung ano yung isasagot nyo dito. Tapos, yung isa, pwede yung ilalabas natin yung y. Ang dami ng sagot. So, yan yung ating mga answers, possible answers. So, last problem na. Ilang minutes na to? So, 56 minutes na. So, last problem, number 5. So, y times 8x minus 9y dx plus 2x times x minus 3y dy is equals to 0. So, 8xy minus 9y squared dx plus 2x squared minus 6xy dy is equals to 0. So, partial derivative ng m with respect to y is equals to 8x minus 18y. Partial derivative ng n with respect to x is equals to 4x minus 6y. Partial derivative ng m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x is 8x minus 18y minus 4x plus 6y. 6y to. So, magiging 4x minus 12y. So, divide natin sa anong mas malapit. Yung n. Tama? So, kapag dinivide natin sa n, dapat ang makuha natin ay function of x. So, 1 over n. Over 2x squared minus 6xy. Palabasin natin yung 2. Ay. 2x minus 6y over x or 2x minus 6y. Cancel, cancel. Magiging 2 over x. So, integrating factor natin ay e raised to f of x dx. So, magiging e raised to 2x dx. So, lalabas si 2, magiging, so, diretsoy na natin, e ln x raised to 2. So, ang if natin ay x raised to 2. So, ito yung ating multiplier. Multiply natin siya sa original equation. Magiging 8x cubed y minus 9x squared y squared dx plus 2x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 3 y dy is equals to 0. So, partial derivative ng m with respect to y is equals to, so xi constant, 8x cubed minus 18x squared y. Partial derivative ng n with respect to x, magiging 8x cubed minus 18x squared y. So, sa mga nahihirapan pala mag-partial derivative, so, pakibalikan nyo yung lesson nyo noong nag-differential calculus kayo. So, last topic atlo. So, partial derivative ng m over or with respect to y is equals to partial derivative ng n with respect to x. So, therefore, exact DE. So, next, tuloy ko na muna ata dito. So, partial derivative ng f y is equals to n. So, hindi na kasya. Sige, sa kabila na lang. So, sulat natin yung ating new equation na 8x cubed y minus 9x squared y squared dx plus 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cubed y dy is equals to 0. So, partial derivative ng f with respect to y ay n. So, kunin natin yung n natin na 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cubed y dy. So, integrate both sides. Magiging f is equals to 2x raised to 4y minus 6x cubed y squared over 2 plus psi x. So, magiging f is equals to, cancel 2x raised to 4y minus 3x cubed y squared plus psi x is equals to 1. So, partial derivative natin siya with respect to x. Magiging 8x cubed y, kasi y ay constant, minus 9x squared y squared plus psi prime x. So, yung isa, partial derivative ng f with respect to x is equals to m equals 8x cubed y minus 9x squared y squared. So, equate natin silang dalawa, magiging 8x cubed y minus 9x squared y squared plus psi prime x is equals to 8x cubed y minus 9x cubed y squared. So, makakancel pala lahat. So, psi prime x is equals to 0. So, d psi over dx times x is equals to 0. So, d psi x is equals to 0 dx. So, integrate both sides. Magiging, magiging psi x is equals to C2. So, substitute natin to sa ating f. So, magiging 2x raised to 4y minus 3x cubed y squared plus C2 is equals to C1. 2x raised to 4y minus 3x raised to 3y squared is equals to C. So, ito na yung ating sagot. So, yan yung ating answer. Or, pwede rin maging, labas natin yung x cubed y. So, magiging 2x minus 3y equals C. So, yan na po yung ating answer. So, sana nakaabot kayo dito sa dulo. And magta-type 7 na tayo sa next lecture video. So, thank you for watching, guys. Paki-comment po yung done watching, name, and section. So, magche-check ako nung mga nanonood. So, bye-bye. 1 hour and 6 minutes.